What's up guys, I'm back here with another watch repair video and I've managed, so what I have here is a Rip Curl Ocean Tech 150 meters, 330 feet. I rarely see feet on the watch itself, but this is a Rip Curl Ocean Tech watch and I was not able to find the actual battery code, battery number. So I've managed to get one of these working. So it's a 395 or a 399 or SR927SW. I got that popped in there. It protrudes a little bit more than what the original battery would be. I'm just worried about that. But there is a gold kind of retainer here that goes on top, and I got the battery. Battery was working. So if I hold it, okay, that's not going to be great. Might need to get something to press it down if this doesn't do the trick. I think, yeah, this back cap seems to do the trick, but we'll see. Let me just put this base cap on and try and seal it. I do realize that the water resistance is dim. Well, it's void when I knew it, so that cap doesn't seem to do the trick. Let me try and find something so I can put it in there. That's the problem with not having the correct battery. So whatever's happening, this part, I guess I could loosen that. Let me try find a screwdriver. I'm just gonna loosen this a bit. There we go. Much better. So what's happening was that this kind of gold looking retainer was pushing it down on one side. So if this was the battery at this level and that retainer was pushing it down more, I loosened it so it would be more stable. But we'll see when I put the base cap on and flip it around, and I'll shake it about a bit. Because when you're wearing a watch, you will be moving it about. Hang on, I'll just tighten it a bit more. I will use this tool and I'll tighten it fully later. Okay, looks good. It's weird that the, what do you call this? The hands rotator ring, or whatever this is called, leave it in the comment section down below. It's not at 3 o'clock, it's at 4 o'clock, which is really strange. So 2 clicks, I can move the hands. Single click, can I move the date? There we go, the date moved to there. And the second hand is running. Let me just quickly put the pin back in here. Which way is, okay, so. And let me get, there we have it. Apologies for the camera angle. This is just a makeshift video. I was just repairing it and just want it for the record. Okay, so for this rip curl battery, the SR927SW does work, and it is a good battery. I've used it on my Seiko watches, and they are really good. There we have it, guys. That's the end of the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Join us on Discord. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.